$41.6 billion. That's more money in the bank than most countries have in their foreign reserves. Tesla is sitting on a gigantic mountain of cash and investments. And today, I'm talking about why this matters so much to you as an investor and what Tesla plans to do with this money. Because this war chest could completely transform Tesla into a big company in the coming years. So I'm Joshua, and I don't want you to buy or sell any stocks. I just want you to use this information to make better decisions. In the third quarter of 2025, Tesla increased its cash position by $4.9 billion and now sits at around $41.6 billion. And converted that into euros for my European viewers, it's about 35.5 billion euros. 35.5 billion euros. Insane, isn't it? But what does $41.6 billion actually mean? For comparison, Ford's entire market cap is around $40 billion. So Tesla has more money in the bank than Ford is worth in the stock market. That's incredible. So where does this money come from? Tesla achieved a record free cash flow in the third quarter, almost $4 billion in free cash that the company has generated. Free cash flow is the money that's left over after Tesla has paid all operation costs, bills, and invested in new factories and technology. So it's basically the company's pocket money that remains after all costs and investments. Now, for the exciting question, what is Tesla doing with this money? The answer is Tesla is investing massively into the future. And at Tesla, the future means AI, robotics, and autonomous driving. Elon Musk has said multiple times that he sees about 80% of Tesla's long-term value in robotics. We are talking about the Optimus robot. Tesla plans to build, 10,000 of these robots in 2025, and by 2026 that number should rise up to 50,000. This development requires money, a lot of money, and that exactly, what they have the cash mountain for. And they're essentially building a new business segment. They're building new factories, and a company that is expanding and scaling production is a company full of optimism. Then there's the topic of autonomous driving. Tesla is already operating robotaxis in Austin and in San Francisco Bay Area. The fleet has covered more than 1.25 million miles without a driver. And by the end of 2025, the service should be available in 8 to 10 American cities. This also costs money for development, hardware, and personnel. So Tesla is also investing in AI computing power. The company has partnered with Samsung to manufacture advanced chips for AI training. And these chips are supposed to be 40 times more powerful than the current generation. So projects like this consume billions. The high cash position gives Tesla something, very important. It gives them independence. Tesla doesn't have to take on debt. Tesla doesn't have to issue new shares. Tesla can finance its projects completely on its own. And that's a huge advantage over other automakers. This isn't always the case with traditional car manufacturers like Volkswagen, for example. They could really use those billions right now, trust me. So look at the traditional automakers for comparison. Many are struggling with the transition to the electric car and have to take out loans for it. So Tesla, on the other side, has more money than it knows what to do with it. The interest income alone brings Tesla more than the interest expenses. In the third quarter, it was about $493 million in interest income versus 76 of interest that has to be paid. So for you as an investor, this means Tesla can weather economically difficult times. This company has about 3 years of investment budget in the bank. Even if the car business weakens, Tesla can continue investing in the future. Of course, there are also risks. Tesla stock is priced very high and it's very overvalued right now, but automotive competitors like BYD from China are also getting stronger. And the new business areas like robotics and robotaxis still have to prove themselves. But with $41 billion in the bank, Tesla has the room to tackle these risks. Tesla's cash position is one of the strongest in the entire automotive industry. You can see the company is preparing for a future that goes far beyond just the car business. Whether autonomous taxi, humanoid robots, or AI chips, Tesla has the money to make these visions a reality. You can't compare this company to a car manufacturer like VW or BMW, and not even BYD either, because yeah, BYD itself gets almost nothing left after selling their cars, and that's despite government support. And by the way, I sell also coffee from my home country, Indonesia. So if you're located in Germany or in Europe and enjoy good coffee, feel free to check out the info box below. If you enjoyed this video, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, write in the comments what you think about Tesla, and tell me what you think about it. Thank you so much.